All right, guys. So I'm going to take you through a situation that some people face when they are trying to run a new installation. A situation where you are unable to see your drive when running an installation. So stay and watch this video as I take you through the process on how to resolve those issues. Yep, so first of all, I'm turning it on and then I'm moving straight to the BIOS. So in my Dell EVO, I press F4. Once I press F4, then now I'll go to my BIOS. Yes, so this is the BIOS by doing So first of all, I'll demonstrate the installation first. Then we'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so machine is booting. Great. So F12, I go to my boot device. This is my pen drive, the pen drive that I need for the installation. So once I click on it, I start to run the boot file. So this is the drive that I have my boot files on. Okay. Okay, so now it's loading up. Great. So what I'll do next, I'll just go to next, like running a regular installation. Then I'll go to install. This might take some few seconds. Great. So here, the standard indicates that those who already have a license, the DLA, that is Digital License Activation, and then OEM, that is it will automatically activate if you are installing the same version of Windows on your machine. Great. So let me select the OEM and go to next. Then I'll select this line system. I'll check accept the line system and then I'll go to next. Then here I need to select on a custom install Windows Advanced only. Good. So once I click, usually you're supposed to see all the various drive here. That is your hard disk drive. It needs to show you, but very unfortunate that it's not showing. So that is what we want to resolve. So most of these issues are BIOS issues. So what we'll do is that we'll close this face. We'll close it and then start to start to run the BIOS. So let's just do some few BIOS settings and then let's see. So we have, first of all, let's check on the boot configuration. Okay, so we have the various boot sequence that is from this, which is the drive that is 256 gig drive, to the boot manager USB, and then to the pen drive. So that is the boot sequence. So what we'll be looking at is first of all, we need to check on secure boot. So what we'll do is that we'll turn secure boot off. Yes. Oh, we'll turn secure boot off. Once we turn secure boot off, would go down and then I will check on storage. Great. So currently it's on RAID, which this is not a server, so we don't need any RAID settings. So what we'll do is that we'll first of all have to disable all RAID information. So we disable all and then we click on yes. So once we click on yes, we'll come down and then let's check on a few settings as well. Okay, so there's nothing to do again. So what we'll do is I will just apply changes and then okay. Then after, oh, sorry guys, sorry. So we apply. We've applied all the changes. Then now we exit. And now let's see if our drive is going to show now. So let me just go on the boot. Great. Now let's see if it's going to show. Okay. So this is our pen drive here. So we can select on our drive for it to start booting. So you realize that the pen drive starts to blink, which indicates that the boot files have started loading up. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Good. Now we are in. Now let's just see. Let's just go to install. Yeah, like I said, it's just select the OEM because we have Windows already installed on. And now we accept the terms and conditions. And now we select on the Windows. Okay. So in this case, it's still not showing. All right. So we'll go again. Let me refresh. See. Okay. It's still not showing. Okay. So we'll close. We'll go again to another setting. Okay, so we go again to the okay. Okay, so to get the device. Yeah, that is correct. What is the time? Time is wrong, so we need to get a time right. So currently it's, let's say, 11 o'clock. It's 10:51, so 10:51 a.m. Okay, and now let's see. Still on USB port, USB count and everything. Okay, then let's apply the changes. And today's date is the 7th. It's the on the 7th, years 2024. Okay, and now let's check on the storage again. Okay, so let's select the AHC. Okay, and now let's apply. Now let's exit and see how it goes. So it is very important to always get the date right, your date. It's very, very important. So let's see. Okay, so there's the wrong feedback. Let me just go back. So I'm long pressing the power button to turn it off, then restart again because I want to just bypass the recovery mode. So right. Okay, so let's just go. Because we have been through this process already, I'll just run it very fast so that we can just move on to the next thing. Great. So here we are. We have all the various drives available. Yes. So what we'll do is that I just want to remove everything and then run a new installation. So I'll take out all the various drives. I'll delete every drive that you see here so that I can run a new installation. Yes. So I'll just remove everything because I spoke to the user of the laptop and he said he doesn't want anything on it. So I'll just remove everything. So you can see the total space. So basically 256, but there's how you see. So we are about to start our installation. So we'll go to new now. It's gonna take a while to load all the various files. So we'll just wait a bit. So in this very case, you can realize that I only changed the date to make sure that it's on the current date and time. Then I changed the storage mode to, I disabled the RAID and I changed it to the new storage mode. So those are the two things that you need to pay attention to. Yes. So we're getting all the files ready. It's done. Yeah. This shouldn't take more than a minute for it to finish. Yes. So once for the installation are done, you can now take off your drive and then quickly click on restart and we are good to go. Great. So it's going to start loading the installation files. This shouldn't be more than 10 minutes. Should finish as fast as possible. Okay. So the files is loading. It should come up shortly. Great. Yeah. So you need to be able to watch this video and then resolve all issues regarding you not being able to see your drive. Okay. So now we are ready to set up our Windows. The Windows we are installing is Windows 10. Let's not forget. So let's select the region that we are currently in. Currently in Ghana. EFG, oh shit. G, 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 G. Oh, EFG, okay, so you should see Ghana. Okay, great. We're in Ghana. So a moment, it loads. Okay, keyboard. So let's just use let's stick to the US keyboard setting. No, we don't want to add another keyboard layout, so let's skip. For now, I'll run my installation and other things later. For now, I don't have, let me just select I don't have internet, and then let me just select continue with limited setup. So, user, let me just write the name of the person, Michelle. That's Michelle, okay. I'm not going to set any password. I'll allow the person to set his own password. So then I accept. I mean, most of the time we don't even have time to read all these conditions and terms from Windows. So we just accept and then we are good to go. This shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. Just in case it do, we just take our time and then wait a while as it getting things ready. Okay, great. So almost done. Great. So we have our new Windows installed. This is how it's gonna look like. Yes, we have Windows installed, everything working. Yes, perfect. So let's just check. Just go straight into check. Okay, there's the hard disk. So yes, so this is the hard disk that we're able to find. Let's just check on the properties. Great. So Windows 11, sorry, Windows 10, the name of the device, 11th gen i5. Okay, great. So guys, this is how you would be able to use Windows 10 Pro. So this is how you would be able to bypass you not being able to see your hard disk drive when you are running an installation. I hope this video is helpful and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day and see you in the next video as well. Bye.